Hello, my name is Cristina Yelo Bonamaison. I'm 50 years old. I was born on 15th of May of 2000 in the Hospital of Sagrada Família in Barcelona, but now I live in Argentina. I live with my family. This is my brother, Martí. He's 16 years old and he plays hockey. Here are my parents. My mom is called Gemma and she's 46 years old and she's an economist. He's my father. He's called Albert and she's an engineer. I've got a fish. It's called Sammy. I go at Mare de Déu de Lourdes school in Mataró and now I'm in 3rd of ESO. In my free time, I play football in Sirera. I go swimming, I go running, I meet with my friends. My favorite foods are very much, but if I have to choose one, I will choose pasta and pizza, and as a drink, horchata. I'm a person who likes very much sport, so my favorite famous is Kylian Jornet. I love him because I would like run where he runs and do things like he does.